Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today we'll look at how to convert the columns into horizontal rows. Alright, so I have a table in vertical format. I need to convert it in this format. So how will we do that? So if we are doing it manually, then we'll have to select it and copy and paste like this, and it will take a lot of time, but we don't want to do that. Okay, uh, we are so smart. All right. So we'll utilize the Excel for that. So let's just delete this one very quick, and then I'll show it to you. Just select your table, whatever you want to convert, and then copy it, and then where you want that format, so go to that cell, click on Excel, right click on paste spatial, and then just click on this transpose button. So select this checkbox and then click on OK. Your work is done. Alright, so quick. So we have done it, and let's hope this helps you, and like the video if you like it, and then subscribe for more videos on Excel. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Bye.